Hello, girls. A very good morning to all.
Good
How are
morning.
you, girls?
Good morning.
Good morning, da. Good morning, da. How are you all?
Fine. And you? Ma'am?
I'm also fine, da. Okay. Um, Good morning to all the staffs and my dear juniors. First of all, I'll introduce myself. I'm Anusha from second BSc ID from Interior Design and Decor Department. I hope you all doing well, girls, and I'm very excited to see you all here. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, to start with, I would like to welcome you all on this beautiful journey of a new phase of life. This program is organized exclusively for you girls. It is a day full of mixed kind of emotions like excitement, fear and happiness. Let me assure you all that this is going to be memorable period for you all. Many of you must having questions, but don't worry. A lovable staffs and we help you to find the answers to all. Try to connect more with your seniors as well as your staffs, colleagues, and try to be participative, be extraordinary in all cultural events we are conducting. Then see how time files. The day when this phase will end, you surely find a bunch of happiness and you to laugh and treasure. Let me share my story. Let me share my story with you girls. I will not get bore you, okay? Um, I still remember the wonderful day when I entered into the college. Unlike buildings, trees, and we have there Sri Kanika Parmeshwari temple near our college. Near our college, a vast ground welcomed us, keep us sung and sing all the time. When I took admission in this college, I was really afraid as all the peoples were new to me. But as soon I started enjoying my college life and I have created some friends around me or some fantastic friends around me. I loved everything about my college and I participated in the events like webinars, drawings, dance competition, etc. We have many competitions in our college for every special days. uh, in our college we having counseling students also will give some quizzes for quizzes to for every events, like we have Republic Day, Independence Day, like that. No, we have every special day we have participating some new quiz, okay, like that we have enjoying every day. The saddest part is we didn't go for college for last year. Not only me, but every school students and us and our seniors also. Due to this pandemic situation, I hope this situation will recover soon. For us, every event and competitions are held in online, and classes too we are attending through online. One of the best thing of about our college is that you will get a new experience every day. In college, along with studies, we can enjoy lots in there. Since it is an online, we can't know anything much about it. When college opens, you can enjoy every day there. Okay. Our college canteen, we have canteen in our college also. We can use to chill after the after the classes get over there. We can enjoy lots there. Some people like canteen so much in our college, right? Like that we can enjoy every day. After class gets over, we can have interval breaks in our college. I would like to tell one thing: college life is very special and essential time in a person's life. Everyone should enjoy it. It teaches many things and builds our confidence to face new challenges and struggles in our future. Another thing, instead of just focusing on the studies, you guys want to participate in other activities and socialize as much as possible. These things help you to develop a overall development of a person. You not only just focus on your studies, you can participate. We have many events like many events, no, you can take participate in that. You may get some happiness when if some participated in some programs now. You will get e-certificates like that. Okay, now let us see about our college and course and department. We can see in a brief. I'll say only about our colleges. Don't judge a book by its outer cover. Because we have our college in some that road, right? Some people will think what we'll have there, what there is going. We don't think like that. We have many things in that. We have to know more about our college. Uh, I hope you understand what I said, girls. Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Our college has many clubs, association, and leadership posts for students. Every department has an individual association like that. For our interior design and decor department, we have Zenith Association. Okay, we have Zenith Association. In our association, we have conducted many competitions, events. We have in online or in direct also in college direct also. After that, we have many clubs like Via Zero, Truck Club, Karuna Club, Young Indians. We have lots of club in our college. And we also have drafting lab, textile lab, smart classrooms, etc. In a drafting lab, we used to draw and we used to draw there, and we used to know some basic sketches, some doing some drawings in the drafting lab. In textile lab, we could learn like how to how to print in a cloth, and we used to learn how to weave a cloth, weaving process, right? How is cloth made up of,
Yes.
how is cloth is making up, and what are the types of printing. We have so many types like block printing, wax resistant, tie and dye printing, like that. We have so much in textile lab. We also have some loom machine also there, I think so. We are if college opens, we can see all things in our textile lab. Okay, this is for our study purpose. And one special thing about our college is our college offers PG course in interior design also. After completing our UG, we can directly put application for MS in our college itself. And then in our college, we can celebrate many cultural programs, events during festival. During our college celebrates a Pongal festival very grandly in our college, like by inviting film industry people. After our college conducts many events, competitions like we can make Pongal there. After that, that pot hitting, right?
Yes, sister. Yes, ma'am.
If, like that events we are conducting more in a Pongal festival. It totally looks a village nature. It totally gives a village nature when in our college celebrating the Pongal. We have some images. I think I'd show it. These are the some images I have collected. You can see in this. This how our college celebrates our Pongal festival, and in our college Navaratri festival is also very grandly celebrated in Sri Kanika Parmeshwari temple. We used to celebrate all the 9 days in the temple. After we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, where all students come in a white dress code. We used to celebrate many festivals in our college. Many festivals in our college. Many festivals in our college. Okay. Okay, girls. I try to share something good. Firstly, I would like to share some very basic questions about our department. Okay. Do you know what is the difference between interior design and interior decoration, girls?
Interior decoration, decorating the marriage halls and etc.
Yeah, what is interior design then?
Um, Interior design, designing the house furnitures.
Yeah, interior design. We have some technical some technical terms to know. Okay, some technical terms which gives a
Okay,
creative
ma'am.
solution to the space they use for design. Interior decoration means it is used various form. It includes color, furnishing, what arrangements, what we have done in the interior. That's called decoration. Okay. When designing a room, what is the most important factor to know, girls? Girls, are you
First,
there?
we have to figure out that what we have to going to do, what we have to going to arrange.
Yeah, exactly. What you're thinking, you have to do exactly. First, you have to have a clear mind what you are going to do, what you are going to design, what you are going to place it. You have to decide everything in first in your mind. Okay, you have to follow the theme, and we have some elements, principles for design interior. You have to just clear your mind. We have to do this, we have to do this, like that. Once the design or thought is clear in your mind about the design, is to follow a theme and the design entire room accordingly, which includes color, furniture, and piece of art. Okay. Do you know some popular softwares we are used for interior design?
AutoCAD,
AutoCAD. Next.
SketchUp,
Yeah, next.
Adobe Photoshop,
Hmm. Yeah.
V-Ray,
What I can't understand.
V-Ray
B-Ray.
for
Okay.
rendering, madam.
Okay, okay. Okay, we have yes, girl. Okay, we have softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp Pro, Revit, 3D Max. Like that, we have so many softwares for interior designers. Our teachers will teach AutoCAD when we enter into third year. It is very important to learn and practice. When we went for interview, they firstly ask about introduce ourselves and what the software you know. They were asked you. Okay, you must know AutoCAD to become a very good interior designer. Okay, girls. Um,
Okay, sister.
do you know some of the famous magazines related to our department, girls?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, I'll suggest you some magazines. You can refer it. Okay, we can have it is available in ebook type also. You can Google it. Okay, we have Devil
Okay,
magazine, Frame magazine, Metropolis magazine, Pop Life, and Interior Design magazine. Just to have a glance of it, it will be useful to think in a creative way. You can know how to create interior design, how others were designed interior. You may have some idea, thought of it. Okay,
okay,
these
sister.
are some pictures of magazine front page. What are the things you have to take care while designing? Yes, what are the things you have to take care while designing? You don't want to tell any exact answer. Just tell me what you know. That's it.
Like Blueprint,
No, I can't understand.
like Blueprint. Be too messy.
No, I can't get you clear. Can you tell it louder? Girls, am I audible?
First, we have to mindset that what we going to do there.
No, no, I am asking what you have
Mm.
to take care while designing.
Client's requirements.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll tell. Put it is very now we have to plan. Okay, if a small place is there now, what is you can think what it is suitable for there. Put some decorative mirrors, especially for small places like that. Put appropriate photo on the height of the wall. If the wall is so much height, you can put some what you can tell what I can tell. Put heart or photo at appropriate height of the wall. You can see whether the wall is too height or too short, like that we have to see. Don't surface in a we will bounce it back the way. Check your room dimension before selecting furniture. Don't over furnish the room. If you over furnish the rooms, it look like so congested and if you over furnish your room, it looks like congest, right? It if room is more spacious, we'll feel good, right? Like that. Don't over furnish the room. Furnish the room according to the space. Use use the color coordination carefully, otherwise it look like mess, right? If you if one wall is one color, another wall is one color, and it will not give good look, right? You have to see the color coordination while you giving a colors to wall, like that. Use appropriate lighting. We use so much of artificial lights, right? In a bedroom, in a dark places we use so much of artificial light. In hall we use mostly natural light in the morning times. At night time we use artificial light, like that. You have to use appropriate lighting in a interior. Okay. Can you all know what are the careers related to our department? Girls, can you all know what are the careers related to our department?
To work as assistant architecture.
Assistant architecture. Okay, next. We have so much, right?
Interior designer, assistant professor,
Yeah,
A design
Decorator.
consultant.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. What?
event manager,
Okay. No, I can't understand a bit. I didn't get you da.
I have one doubt, sister.
Okay.
Can we become a musician?
I didn't get you da. What you're saying?
Can we become a musician?
Okay. Good. Okay, there are several career opportunities in interior designing. From which one? Okay, such as furniture designer, uh, exhibit designer, lighting designer. We can work as a kitchen designer, assistant professor in many colleges. We can work as a professor also. Architect. We can work as an architect. Product designer for textile. Stylist protection designer. We can work as many. We have many careers in our field. Okay, we have many. Who is can you all know who is the first interior designer person? Girls, do you know who is the first interior design person?
No, man.
Okay. uh,
Sunita, right?
no da. No, no, no,
From
I'll tell
India.
you. Ellis. No, she's an American person. She's an American lady. Her name was Ellis D. Fole. Okay, she was born in December 20, 1859. She is also a very good in. She is an actress and also an author, and also she is an interior design person. She was born in New York City. Okay, in New York. She's very famous. Huh? What the?
What is her name?
Alice D. Fole. Her name was Alice D. Fole. Okay, she was born in New York City in December 20, 1859. She is an American lady. Okay, she is American lady. After she get married, she is also known as Lady Medi. After that marriage, she is an American actress who became very prominent interior design and the author. Okay, okay, girls. Now we can have some. Okay, anybody having interest to study in abroad, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll suggest you some states and some universities for you. You can have a glance of it. You can search it. Okay. I would
Okay,
like to
ma'am.
I would like to suggest some states for you to learn there. The first most country is UK and Spain. Okay, UK and Spain is a top list in a country. For our department only, I'm saying. Okay. Next, UK and Spain is the first. Australia, USA, and Canada are the second thing. Okay. Second thing, if you want to learn, you can have a search of it, or you can ask anybody to some reference. I'll suggest UK and Spain. After that, I'll suggest Australia, USA, and Canada. Universities are New York School of Interior Design. It is located in New York City. White House Institution of Design in Australia. RMIT University. It is in Dublin. I think you know Dublin, right? It is in it located in Ireland state. And we have Dublin Institution of Design. It is also in Ireland, Ireland in Dublin. Okay. The Interior Design School. It is located in London. Okay, these are the some information I have to for you to say. If you have to learn there, you can just have a glance of it. After that, you get some idea what we have to learn there. After completing your UG in interior design, we can pursue PG. Yes, you can do majors in interior design. It is about your choice to choose. We can do majors in fine arts, visual arts, and we can do in nutrition and dietaries also. You can ask how we can do nutrition and dietaries. In our third year, we have to we going to learn a nutrition paper. I think so. So that I'm telling you that you can get into a nutrition dietaries course also, because our department is home science, right? We have to know everything, what we have to learn. Okay, we can go into nutrition and dietaries too. And one important thing I want to tell you is, during this time, teachers have gone through very incredible length to help us to keep learning. As a students, as a students, many teachers and educators will pass through our lives without resemblance. Yet a very special will leave long lasting impression. Thank you for being one of the educator who will live on forever in the minds and hearts of the students. Who lives you have touched. I may not have always shown it, but I'm gradually have such a wonderful teachers like you. To every staff in our department and our HOD ma'am, we have two words for you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for all the wisdom you shared, ma'am. And I'm very happy to share here in this event, girls. We are blessed to have such a wonderful teachers to guide and motivate us. Our teachers are very friendly and lovable to us. And one thing, if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask teachers. Okay, if don't hesitate to ask doubts with teacher. If you hesitate to ask, you just keep thinking about it. You just keep thinking about this. If you are not going to clear your doubts, you will not able to understand the concept, right?
Yes, sister.
If you're not able to concept now, what you will get? What happened? girls.
We will going to suffer for that.
Yeah, if you're not able to understand the concept now, you will going to suffer. If you're not able to understand now, you will get low marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you get low marks now, you will not get into very good university. If you want to study higher studies now, you will not get very good universities. Now you think, I have to go this university, I have to go this university, you will think, right? If your marks get low now, you will not able to get enter. They will have some percentage to get in, right?
Yes.
Like that. So you should not hesitate to ask any doubts with your teachers, okay? If you have any doubt, they clear then and there itself. They are always ready to clear all your doubts. If you ask 100 times also, they will tell you, uh, they will clear you the doubt, what is that, what is this now, okay? After that,
Okay, sister.
one day you will think that, why I didn't ask that day itself. And if a question, the question you're doubting, right? If you not ask a question, one day you will get that question in a exam paper. You will think that day, right? Why I didn't ask that day itself. You'll think, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that only I'm saying. You have to, if you have a doubt, you ask that day itself, or else you ask you ask in class itself, okay?
Okay, sister.
Or else ask your seniors to help to make, if you have any doubts, if you're not feeling comfortable to ask with your teachers, so you can approach your seniors, they will help you a lot, okay? You can approach your seniors, or you can you can make your friend, you can ask your friends doubts, they will clear you. So I would like to tell, clear the doubts then and there in class, and be regular to the classes. Don't make yourself absent. If you make yourself absent, you may not understand the content what ma'am has teach yesterday. You may be in confusion what next class is going to be there. Make use of opportunities what you are giving for you. Make use of every opportunities what is provided to you, and make new friends, and be polite and kind towards each other. Take initiate and talk if they feel uncomfortable and shy. In class everyone must be maintained unity. Don't fight and argue amongst yourself. If you're facing any problem, you just inform to your class ma'am, or else whoever is there, you can inform to them. And be active and enthusiastic in class. I think um, ask you tell to your ma'am, she will give some solutions for you. She will give some solutions for you. Okay, girls, I like to conclude with here. To conclude, I would like to welcome you all to our beautiful family. I wish you all the best of luck for the future on this journey of education and success. So let us start the ceremony officially. A ceremony full of music, fun, and games, and start to create a memorable memory. And thank you so much for your valuable time. See you again, girls.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sister.
I hope we all see you soon in college. See you soon in our college. We can enjoy a lot in our college. After college opens, we can meet there. Since it is a visual classes, I can't able to see your faces. So okay, so we can meet in our college itself. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Email. One second, girls. I'll call ma'am. 1 second. Sorry, girls. Sorry. I'm very sorry. If you have any doubts regarding our department, girls, girls, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. If you have any doubts,
No, sister.
no. Okay. Actually, our college opens now. We can enjoy a lot in our college. Every day we having some special events like we have some associations. No, we have for English department we have Blossom Association. In our department we have Zenith Association. Like that we have so many associations. For us, recently we have participated in Krishna Jayanti competitions also. We have Kalalaya Fine Arts Club also. In that club we have many events like drawing competition, dancing competition, singing competitions for every special events. Okay. Um, if you have any doubts, now tell, I'll clear for you. You can ask freely. Nobody is having any doubts, ah? I can see Aisha face and some one girl also. Nice to see you girls for turning on the video. Okay, can I end up the section?
Okay, ma'am, your wish.
Okay, da. Ma'am. Okay, I'll tell you something. We have some papers related first year. I'll tell some paper names. Okay. In first year, we'll be learning principles of design. In principles of design, we would learn like what are the principle we should apply for for interior. If you give a vertical liner, it will give a height effect in our building. Okay. If you give horizontal liner, it shows our building short. Like that, we have principles. In principles, we will learning seven types of principles. Seven types. No, it has five types of principle. If you give vertical liner, our building shows taller. If horizontal line effect means it shows our building smaller, like that. Like that, we have zigzag. If we give a zigzag effect in our building now, it shows like some what we can say, some mess effect. Okay, it look like some confusion. It gives a confusion effect. Like that, if we give curved effect now, it what I can tell now, it gives a feminine effect for us. Okay, you all know, right? What is curve shape? If
Yes,
we
ma'am.
apply if we apply a curve shape effect now, it gives a feminine effect for it. Like that, we have principles. We have elements of designs too. We have elements designs like line shape, lines shape, அப்புறமா வந்து line shape, texture, lighting, like that. We have so many in our interior. If we build our interior more spacious now, it will reflect more light to us. If we give white color to our building, it gives more light because white absorbs light, right? So it gives more lighting effect for us. Like that, we have papers, principles of design and elements of design, allied subject as building services, and also we have visual arts. Present, I'm studying the visual arts. I'm a second year student, right? For this semester, we are learning visual arts. In visual arts, we are learning about old uh, Asian types of interiors, and their stories, how Egyptian art look, how Stone Age art look, how we can recreate for us for our interiors. We could be learning like that. In a building service paper, we could be learn like fully about our architecture department, like how building will start, what are the basic things we have to learn in to construct a building. If a building want to construct, if we want to construct a building now, what is the first thing you have to do? Anybody know what is the first thing we have to do?
We should put a plan, then we should build a basement.
Okay, before the basement, what we have to do?
We should have a blueprint plan.
Yeah, blueprint. It's a floor plan. Okay, for every for every construction of the building, it could be residential or commercial. We would have we would keep a floor plan with us, right? Okay, floor plan and side plan. Both the plans we have to keep with us when we want to build a interior or commercial residential, whatever it may be. Okay, if we want to build I tell according to our residential house. Okay, if you want to build a residential house, what is the first thing you have to do? The first thing is we have to put a foundation, right? We have to put
Bricks and
foundation.
cement.
Yeah, it is a yeah. Okay, RCC. You're telling about RCC. Okay, no problem. First, we have to put foundation. In that foundation, after that foundation only, we are going to put a basement, right? After the basement we have to going we have putting pillars. We have to raise the pillars in a vertical order. After that you have to give some we have some measurements. We have to leave some 7 feet 6 feet according to our that place owner wish, right? We have to normally every person leave 7 feet actually. Like that we have to leave 7 feet. We raise the pillars a long ago. We have to raise the pillars so much height. After that we have to put a slab now we have 3 floors. Now for first floors it is a for first floor it could be like what I can tell. That slab for if we have a 3 floors if we have a 3 floor now, for first floor for first floor slab it could like it is a ceiling, right? For first floor it could be ceiling. For second floor it could be a floor. Okay, like that we have like that floor is that floor and ceiling is made up of also RCC. You know RCC, I think so, right? That concrete mixture we will tell, right? I think you all made here. I bet you don't know what is exactly. I think so. You will be learning this in our building service paper and also in building material finish paper. Also, we could be learning this. Okay, building material. We can also learn about in our department is how we can apply the wall finishes. How it could be fixed to the wall. In our home, we have tiles also, right? In our restrooms, we having tiles. How tiles is been fixed, how walls are going to be fixed, how marbles are going to be fixed in a floor. This and all you are going to learn in our building material papers. Okay, that could be a allied subject for you in a second year. In first year you're going to learn some basic stitches also. It could be ADT paper. We'll shortly tell ADT, but it also known as art and textile paper. We could be learning art and textile paper. In art and textile paper you could be learning like some basic stitches like hand embroidery, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm hand that hand embroidery. You will learning some basic stitches on your own itself. Or else ma'am is also just show you a demo for you to for you demo like a little. Okay, you can recreate with your own your in your own style. After that we will learning I said before I said we have a textile lab, right? In our textile lab we have loom. I think you all know, right? Loom machine. Loom. You will know
No, ma'am.
மக்கம் சொல்வாங்கல்ல தெரியுமா?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. It is a loom machine and that machine is used to manufacture a cloth. Manufacture a cloth.
Print
What
out,
what now?
print out for cloth.
No, it's not a printout. It is used for
Creating clothes.
yeah. It used
நெய்றது சொல்றாங்களே அதுவா?
yeah, like that only. Yeah, you said correctly in exact Tamil. I don't know that much Tamil actually. Sorry to say that. Like that. It is used for manufacture a cloth. It has a weaving process. We can see we can watch the weaving process in our college itself. After that, we have some blocks there. I before said we are going to learning many printing, right? Printing types. And what are the types we have, like that every type we can use to see demo there in our textile lab. In olden days, block printings also done in wood. You know block printing, right?
Yes.
In
So
wood.
we'll do.
Yes, Telma. Okay. Block printing is used to done with a hood. In olden days, we have to done with a hood. Nowadays, we have more advanced type of machines, no? So nowadays, we are using some machines to print it. After we have some technical types of printing, like tie and
Tie and dye.
tie and dye. Tie and dye. All there are some various type of some unique types of techniques in that. You can all learn in our syllabus itself. After that, what we have wax resistant. You all know wax resistant. Have you all know wax resistant?
No, Akka.
I don't know.
Okay. Wax resistant is nothing but it is used. You know wax, right? You know wax. Yeah, using that wax, we are going to put a design in a cloth. In that way also we can design a cloth. It is very beautiful, but it is a little bit tricky to a little bit tricky to make it clear. It will look sometimes mess. If we learn a very perfect type of means, you can easily apply to it. Otherwise it will give some tricky problems for us to design. After that, we have I have said ADT, and right, we have another subjects also, like we have kitchen. We have a paper, separately paper for kitchen design also. We have a kitchen design paper. We will be learning what is modular kitchen. Nowadays, modular kitchen is a very popular in a worldwide, right? Have you all heard
Yes,
what
yes.
is? Yeah, can anyone tell what is a modular kitchen?
Digital.
Digital, okay. Nowadays kitchen are design. Kitchen is a very important and a very important thing in our home, right? If we
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
if we want to work in our kitchen now, it could be everything comfortable. Most of the Indian peoples were kitchen designed in a L shape. Have you all your shapes of kitchen?
No.
Okay, we have L shape kitchen, U shape kitchen, single wall kitchen. Most of the houses we have L shape kitchen. In L-shaped kitchen, we used to build a triangle. We said we have a work triangle in kitchen. Work triangle means it should be like a rectangle in shape. If we have a sink and a stove in one side, opposite side we have a refrigerator. Like that, it could be easy. If you want to work with stove now, if you finish your work, you can directly put it in a sink. After, if you want to take now, you just come back and take vegetables or whatever you want from the fish, you can take easily, right? This is called
Yes.
work triangle. This is called work triangle. This is an important thing everyone is following nowadays. But for Indians, we can use as for Indians, so many people are using L-shaped kitchen. L-shaped kitchen and single wall kitchen. Single wall kitchen means every essential things placed in a single line. I hope you all have seen the somewhere. I think so. Somewhere I think single wall, straight in a straight line. Like what I can say. In this last kitchen, this end we can have a kitchen. That end we can a stove. In between we have a working space. If you want to cut vegetables now, you have to have some space, right? So that we use that space for vegetable cutting or keep anything. We have to, if we cook anything now, you have to preserve it, right? If you have to preserve now, we have some space in a kitchen, right? So we can use that workspace for store what we have cooked material, cooked things, or else we can use for cutting vegetables, whatever. In kitchen it is a very important. In modular kitchen nowadays we have different types of pull outs. Have you heard about the pull outs?
Yes.
Yeah, nowadays there are so many types of pull outs in our kitchen, like sliders, like just shelves. We can have some
Drawers.
cabinets. Yeah. Nowadays we have cutlery trays too. Cutlery trays is especially for to keep just that spoon, knife, and all. Just small things we have to keep. We're going to keep in a cutlery trays. Like that we have separate for every drawers we have separate names. Like that we have so many, right? We have like cutlery tray, basket. After that we have magical corner units na nothing. Corner units na in kitchen corner we used to have a drawers, right? It should be in a S shape.
Oh.
It should be in a shape. If you get into a sub if you learn if you're going to be learning a subject, you might know it. While you learning you may get what is how it look like. You can learn while learning the subject. Okay, we have a shape kitchens, and in kitchen also we can use nowadays in kitchen we all are using what is that fan, exhauster fan we are using nowadays. Like that we have very modern kitchen nowadays. Nowadays we are having chimneys also in our kitchen, right? To to absorb that heat and all.
Yes.
We, u- we we used to learn about this also in our paper. After that we have nutrition paper in third year. Nutrition paper in third year, so that we can get into
Akka,
our
can I ask you something?
yes.
ஸ்டேஷ்னரிஸ் இருக்கும்ல அக்கா,
ஆமா.
என்ன தேவைப்படும்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா உங்களால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயரில்?
ஸ்டேஷ்னரிஸ்னா சின்ஸ் நானும் வந்து ஆன்லைனில் தான்மா படித்தேன் ஒரு ஒரு வருஷம் ஃபுல்லாக. ஸோ வந்து அவ்வளோ ஒர்க் எதுவும் இருக்காது. இஃப் இருந்துச்சுன்னா மேம் சொல்லுவாங்க உனக்கு. மோஸ்ட்லி ரெக்கார்ட் ஒர்க் இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு. ரெக்கார்ட் ஒர்க்னா இந்த நான் சொன்னேன்ல பேசிக் ஸ்டிச்சஸ்லாம், இந்த ஸ்டிச்சஸ்லாம் இருக்கும். அது மேம் சொல்லுவாங்க உனக்கு, போர்ஷன்ஸ் எடுக்கும்போது சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ மேம்
டிராஃப்டிங் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் அக்கா?
டிராஃப்டிங்லாம் இப்போ இல்லைடா, அது செகண்ட் இயரில் தான் வரும். டிராஃப்டிங் வந்து இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்க்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒன்றும் இருக்காது. எல்லாமே படிக்கிறது தான். ஜஸ்ட் பேசிக்காக தான் படிப்பீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ஸில். ஜஸ்ட் எப்படி சொல்கிறது, ஜஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச விஷயமா தான் இருக்கும். பட் ஆனாலும் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பாங்க. இப்போ டோர்ஸ்னால் வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். டோர்ஸ்னால் நீங்கள் டோர்ஸ் பற்றிலாம் படிப்பீங்க. இது என்ன டைப் டோர், இது எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, அது வந்து எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த டோர் இங்கே கரெக்டாக இருக்குமா, ஐ மீன் இது இங்கே செட் ஆகுமா, அதெல்லாம் பற்றி படிப்பீங்க நீங்கள். அது வந்து பில்டிங்
எது
சர்வீஸ்.
எங்க suitable-ஆ இருக்கும் பாக்குறது.
என்னடா?
எது எங்க சூட்டபிளா இருக்கும் அது டீட்டெயிலா படிக்க போறோம்.
டீட்டெயிலாக படிக்க போறீங்க. அப்புறமா நீங்கள் லிவிங் ரூம், பெட்ரூம்ஸ்லாம் எப்படிலாம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம், எப்படிலாம் வச்சுக்கலாம், அதோட பர்பஸு, யூஸு, அட்வான்டேஜஸ்ஸு, அதெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த வாஸ்துலாம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அதை பற்றியும் சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. அதை பற்றியும் இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு. இப்போ லிவிங் ரூம்னா இந்த சைடு நார்த் ஈஸ்ட்னா நார்த் ஈஸ்டில் தான் இருக்கணும், சவுத் ஈஸ்ட்னா சவுத் ஈஸ்டில் தான் இருக்கணும், அப்படிலாம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. அதெல்லாம் கூட சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க நம்மளுக்கு இதில். ஸோ அது வந்து செப்பரேட்டாக ஒரு இப்போ நம்ம வீட்டில் கிச்சன்னா கிச்சன் பற்றி தனியாகவே படிப்போம் நம்ம. அதே மாதிரி லிவிங் ரூம்னா லிவிங் ரூம் பற்றியே தனியாக படிப்போம். லிவிங் ரூம் பற்றி நிறைய ரொம்ப எலாபரேட்டாக சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க நம்மளுக்கு. இதெல்லாம் இப்படி இருந்தால் நல்லாயிருக்கும், இப்படி இருந்தால் நல்லாயிருக்கும். இப்போ ஸ்டோரேஜ் வந்து எங்கெங்கே வைக்கலாம், அந்த ஸ்டோரேஜில் என்ன மாதிரி ஐட்டம் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணலாம். ஸ்டோரேஜ்னால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், எப்பயாச்சும் யூஸ் பண்ணுற திங்ஸ் தான் நம்ம அங்கே வைப்போம். ஆஃப் அன் யூஸ் பண்ணுற திங்ஸ்னால் நம்மளுக்கு எட்டுற மாதிரி, நம்ம கைக்கு வர மாதிரி தான் வச்சுப்போம் நம்மளை சுற்றி. அந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் பற்றி படிப்பீங்க நீங்கள் அதில். அப்புறம் வந்து நம்ம காலேஜில் வந்து நிறைய கல்ச்சுரல் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நல்லா பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறம் வந்து we have so much events in our college. You should take part in this, you should take part in that. You will enjoy while you're doing some activities. If you win prize now you will be happy, right? If you win, are you happy or not? If you win prize you will be happy, right? Like that, you take
Happy.
just you just take the initiative and do. If you win or if நீங்க win ஆனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, win ஆகலைனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, just take a part in that. வின் ஆலனாலும் உங்களை யாரும் கேட்க போறது இல்ல, ரைட்? அதனால ஜஸ்ட் நீங்க அதில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்க. பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண உங்களுக்கு சர்டிஃபிகேட்ஸ்லாம் கிடைக்கும். யூ வில் பி ஹாப்பி ஃபார் தட். அப்புறம் வந்து நல்ல அப்புறமா வந்து அப்புறமா வந்து டோன்ட் பி ஆப்சென்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் ஃபார் யுவர் கிளாஸஸ். பி ரெகுலர். if you be absent for classes now, you will not able to get, because வந்து நம்ம பேப்பர்ஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகாது. அப்புறம் வந்து எப்படி சொல்றது, நேத்து என்ன எடுத்தீங்க, இன்னைக்கு இன்னைக்கு என்ன எடுத்தாங்கன்னு உங்களுக்கு புரியாது. பிகாஸ் some topics were left before now. Next day you will not get understand what they are going to say. If you understand only, no, you can get into another topic. So be attentive in class. Be if ma'am is asking some questions now, try to give answers. If it is not correct also, you can give answers for them. They will not scold you or anything. They will be happy if you give answer now. Okay va? If you give answers now, they will be so much happy. They will not scold you. They are very lovable, no? They are very friendly for us too. Friendly for us. They are like friends only. Okay, don't be afraid of any teachers. Every teachers are very cool and very cool and friendly only. Okay. um, uh, After if anybody having any other doubts.
Sister, what is the name of the college president and secretary?
Since it is not announced yet, actually I'll ask and tell you later. Since we have going through for us also, it been 2 weeks only. Classes are started, so I didn't know. If I know means, I'll just share with you. Okay. Like that,
Okay.
we have for our department we have association secretary also, but not announced yet now. If they announce now, I will just pass information to you. Okay.
Actually, we need to make presentation on the first day. The president was given a welcome speech. I have to add name. That's why I'm asking.
Srivarshini akka.
Okay, I don't know her name, right? I'll just make sure and ask and tell you. Okay. Like that, we have association secretary for our department, for our whole department, and we have posts like counseling members. We have counseling members too, and counseling members like assistant student secretary, student secretary, joint secretary. After assistant joint secretary, like that, we have many posts for our many posts in our college, leadership post in our college. You can give your name for that also. For first years it may not there, but for second, if you enter into a second year, you can give your names. If you interested, you can give. After that, they may keep some interview, I think so. If you pass in that interview, you wish what post you want, you can take it. That's what we have, many leadership posts in our college too. Like that, we have going to enjoy in our college. um, any doubts, girls?
I
How
have one
many grades?
doubt about
Yes,
competitions. So we'll get only certificates or will not get cups or trophies like that?
it depends upon the association. We'll get since it is an online, right? We are getting only certificates for winners and participations also. If college opens, they will give, I think so.
Okay.
Even I got some Sparrow Association. In Sparrow Association, I also got some memento. Like that, if you went for college, na, they will give that. Okay. Since it is an online, they'll give only
Okay.
certificate for us. Okay, da.
In competition, we have to do that, or already we have to do that, and we will place only.
No, I can't get your question, da.
In competition, actually, we have to do, or before itself, we will be done and we will place it.
It is depend upon that the association, that also, if some, they will give a Google form for us to submit. If it is a drawing, they will give a Google form to submit the artwork. Like that we have on spot also in Google Meet also, like this. Now we are like this, right? Like that also we can participate.
Anusha, have you completed, ma?
Just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, da.
Like that also we can participate. Okay, it is an online and also offline also. We can submit through Google form, or else we can participate through Google Meet also. Like that also we can participate. Okay, da.
Okay, sister.
Okay, ma'am.
Sister,
Aista,
how many papers we have to write for exams?
we have to write in first year we have to write 7 papers, da. 2 major, 1 allied, and English Tamil, and other 2 papers are NME and soft skill paper.
If we are in French subject, then I have to write Tamil also and French also, or just French only.
No, just French only. French only. In NME, you have to write advanced Tamil paper, I think so.
Okay. Tamil
Because
is
you have
compulsory.
not. Yeah, because you
Anisha,
have.
regarding these details, I will clarify here, ma. You just clarify only the workshops and another information, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay?
ma'am.
Yeah, da.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am?
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sister.
Yeah, da. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Anusha. Girls, you got cleared? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, da. Take 10 minutes break time. Come back and start your recapturing session. What you have understood, what the session was about for the past 2 days. Each one of you have to speak out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, da.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. 10 minutes break. Anisha can leave, ma. Thank you very much, ma.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, da. Thank you.